Let me show you how to hide indicator icons in status bar on Samsung Galaxy S25. In order to do this, first we need to go to the Galaxy Store and we need to download an app that is called Good Lock. This is the app that we need to install. Let's wait a couple of seconds, and after that we want to open it. This app provides you access to multiple different plugins and extensions that are quite useful. But what we are looking for is the quick start. This one allows you to customize the status bar a little bit more. So press on the download button on the right side, and let's wait for the extension to be installed. And then we can tap on the quick start in order to open it. So let's turn it on, go to visibility of indicator icons, and here, for example, we can hide the mobile data signal. We can hide a bunch of different icons that, for example, we don't want to see. As you can see, we can even hide the battery information completely. And that is pretty much it. We can also hide Wi-Fi, and as you can see, it is completely clean. There is nothing anymore in the status bar besides the date, which it seems that we cannot really hide. But that is all. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.